Object states, these are kind of just a quick way to go about adding some show and hide options to your content if you want to transform it. And it can really save some time instead of what we've done for like the show and hide week when you're creating a duplicate of an object and adding the interaction manually to show and hide something. The object states kind of streamline that for us. So we can just say, I have this circle, I want to transform the shape of it, and we can use object states for that. So it can really help us out. So I'm going to show y'all some examples and dive into some use cases first for us. So this first one, I love this little shapes example. And what we did, we brought in all these different shapes and applied, I think, 2 or 3, at least 3 object states to each shape. So what we see here is just all of this shape spilled across the canvas. When you hover, they all do different things, whether they're just moving around, changing size. But when you click on the compositions here at the bottom, they're all moving around. And I love this one. It's super fun because they all seamlessly move, and some of them are just moving on the canvas, but some of them are changing size entirely. So this is a really good use case of object states and how you can just have this quick transformation for a lot of objects. So this one is really fun, playing around with the shapes and size. Another way that we commonly see object states used is with text and images. So it doesn't have to be a huge thing. It can be something as easy as changing your font weight and the size of it maybe.